And welcome back to Caprice Hair Studio. Today I want to highlight another essential part of the René Future line. I'd like to emphasize that this line is based and the main ingredient inside it is in fact shea butter, and it does come in two different variants, one for the fine hairs and one for very damaged dry. It is the Karité line. It's been revised and improved in the last few years, and they've come out very strong. It is a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. What it does is aid with coarse, dry, and fine hair. It is an ideal product for anyone looking to improve on those elements. Highly recommended, Caprice Hair Studio certified. Everything you're looking for in a luxury, high-end product right here at Caprice Hair Studio. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, feel free to come and join us at Caprice Hair Studio, or you can order them from beautymall.ca. Thank you.